I was wondering, this is out of curiosity. It was powerful stuff, the Buddha clock. I also really like it. And when I did it the first few times, I thought, gosh, it's almost too easy. Like you're using a special trick to, to change everything around. And it made me think, it's like too easy. It's like, should it be this easy? Now, this sounds like a silly question, but what I really mean is, okay, so you live this life and you have these experiences that might be traumatic or whatever, and you learn from them, as Do said, and that's wisdom, and it's wonderful. That's also what life is for, maybe, to have this sort of tapestry of, create this tapestry. So how can you respond to that? How does that work if you just go back and poof, clean the stuff out, and of course you feel better? How do you relate with that?
Okay. Sometimes people complain it's very difficult, and now there is some complaining. It's not really complaining, but hey, it's too easy. What about this? Life is easy, right? Life is easy. When we have this program mind, we make it so complicated. Relationships complicated. So many things complicated. Complication. And then I give you a practice that's very easy. And then, hey, what about complication? Because, no, I mean, it's a very playful practice, but funny enough, it's working because you already did the first course. I think you actually repeat it, you integrate the whole thing, and then it's easy. But I guarantee you that if you didn't do, so remember, for example, 2 years ago, I give you this practice, you cannot even get close to that. You will be frustrated just by moving your hands like this. Oh my God, there's something wrong with me. It's because you've been the program, you've been opening a space, and therefore your inner being is doing it with you. And when you surrender, we say, I don't exist, you actually mean it. Therefore, it's working very easy, because now you're an easy being. Before you were a complicated being, like me, when I back in the days, and now you're an easy being. That's why it's easy for you.
Yeah, that is true. I was sort of surprised by how easy, it worked, and I was loving it, of course. Although I can't say that I'm always in that state, but yeah.
Yeah, this is coming because in the practices you're getting in this level. When the master they were giving me this practice, they said, with this practice, you will know what the master said, that you are the son of God, because now you're going to feel like God actually healing and cleaning your life. And it's easy. But it's easy because you've been deprogramming yourself. You've been crying. You've been about even to quit this practice. There's so many things that you've been going through. And now the result is like you are an easy being, like life is easy. And then the practice right now for you, they're easy. Therefore, it's a consequence of what you've been going through this practice, transformation.